What's up guys, my name's Jeremy. Today I want to make a quick video on this bag that was sent over to me by Hazard 4. This is their Plan B hard shell bag. So it is a hard shell exterior, but it's based on their Plan B sling bag. So this is a crossbody type sling bag, a little bit smaller in size. I think they rate this one around 26 liters. I do also have their pillbox, which is kind of one of their like flagship bags, if you will, one of their most popular bags. That one is ranked around, I think, 29 liters. So for comparison's sake, this is the pillbox right here. This is a normal style backpack. And then you have the Plan B bag here. So size difference. I think if I were to put it into layman's terms, I would say that the Plan B bag is a little bit larger than half the size of the pillbox. It's definitely a reduction in size from the pillbox to this, but I can still fit a ton of stuff in here, a very surprising amount of stuff in here. So I'm gonna show you guys that. We're gonna go over to a table and I'll break down what all I have inside, because it is still filled up from a photo shoot that I did over the weekend. So let's go ahead and go over there now and take a look at what I have inside. Before I show you guys what's inside, I do want to talk about the strapping here. So you have one large main strap, which has their normal locking clasp right here. This clasp also comes on the other bags like the pillbox. You have a smaller kind of side strap here for support. And then if you do choose to use it, there is a bag or a strap that wraps around your waist down here. So we'll go all the way around for support down here. I find that's really only necessary if you need, or if your bag is like very, very full and is pretty heavy. So the strapping is very nice. This thick padded here, it offers like really good support. It's very comfortable to wear for, long periods of time. So let's go check out what I have inside. All right, so to start, here's a side-by-side comparison of the pillbox versus the Plan B hard shell bag. Pretty similar in thickness, but this is obviously much more narrow than this. 2 straps versus 1 strap. So that's kind of why I said it's about half the size of the pillbox. So let's go ahead and open this up. We'll talk about what's inside. Okay, so this bag does open essentially from the back side. So you want to put the face down whenever you're using it. So here is the clip that's on the main shoulder strap, and it does lock. So when you clip it together, you can take this little tab right here, rotate it to this side, and then you cannot undo this clip until you unlock it like that, and then it can be undone. So there's basically 2 pockets or 2 compartments in here with 2 zippers right here. So this first pocket right here is just kind of like a slim, it's similar to like most bags have like a laptop pocket. It could fit a small tablet or anything like that. You can put like a knife in here or whatever it may be. Not a lot of storage space. It's a pretty slim pocket, but it is lined so you can attach Velcro items as well. The main pocket is kind of the meat and potatoes of everything, which is right here. We'll unzip this and I'll show you guys what I have inside from a photo shoot that I did this weekend. So here is everything that's inside. I have 2 lenses and then a camera with a lens attached. So let's start with this. This is a Canon RF 35mm 1.4 L series lens. In here I have the Canon 24-70 L series lens. And then right here, the camera itself obviously has a 24-70 on it, and this is a Canon R3. So this is a pro sized body. So this is a large body. It has the bottom grip on it as well. It's built into the body. So this is a full size pro body with a 70-200 on here, and it fits deep down into this slot in this bag. So let me tilt this up so you guys can see. So it does come with Velcro walls and things like that, so you can kind of adjust everything, but there is enough depth in this bag right here for the full size body to slide down. And then they include this little padded riser right here, so the lens can slot right up on this. So that's pretty cool. And then I have this extra pocket next to the lens, which has, a cleaning towel. I carry a small light with me, a couple extra batteries, and things like that, lens caps, etc. So a nice little accessory pouch right there. But yeah, everything fits in here just like this. You know, obviously you saw it was zipped up, so all of that fits. Full size body, 70 to 200 f2.8 lens, 24 to 70, and a 35mm lens right there. So you can honestly pack quite a bit of stuff in here. This is, you know, everything that I would need for a photo shoot, so it's all in here. Now the top flap right here does have this little compartment. You can put, you know, memory cards, you can put a pen or a pencil in here. This is where I keep my memory card reader. I don't often use it, but it is nice to have if I do want to quickly upload some photos to my phone. And it is Velcro, so you can move it any way you want. If you want it in the middle, off to one side, whatever, you can move it so that it doesn't impede with anything in the actual pockets. So that is pretty cool. Now with everything zipped up, this is the front of the bag here. So you have a carry handle down here and a carry handle right here. So you can pick the bag up, carry it any which way you want. Of course, you have all of the straps, the lower strap, your shoulder strap, etc. They did also include this beacon light here. So this attaches to their normal attachment mount like this, but just adds a little light here. This light can come out. You can take it out of this little rubber pocket and use it as a little light if you wish, or you can just stick it in here and use it like so. So pretty cool. Just a nice little, you know, added feature to the bag where you can have it, you know, strobe or be constantly on, or kind of whatever you desire. It's just a nice little feature. Like if I'm out riding my bike and I have this bag on, I know that I can be seen a little bit, which is pretty cool. I actually ended up buying another one of these lights for my pill box as well, because I like it so much. So very cool. And then it just has a couple little like attachment points where you can string stuff on. The sides here come with straps for a tripod, so you can, you know, attach a tripod through these straps if you want. And they do have your typical like web straps as well, larger ones and smaller ones, so you can attach all kinds of stuff. They've got a couple of D-rings on here as well, and those straps are on both sides, so you get plenty of additional added on storage if you want. So pretty cool there. So overall, it's a great bag. It's a great day bag when you don't want to pack a ton of stuff. It fits, you know, plenty. As I was able to show you, you know, I got 2 lenses, a full-size camera in here, a couple accessories. Great for, you know, just a day shoot or whatever. Works really well for me. I like the little light attachment that they sent over as well. I think that's pretty cool. So overall, I'm super happy with this. I know that all of my gear in here is nice and protected. It's a very sleek, good-looking bag, and it's going to be awesome for the future. So definitely excited to keep using it, and it's definitely a bag that I recommend checking out.